here in Bohol province. This is in my picture with my family. High country. Church in tradition is a celebration for every single year. They call a fiesta. Oh, bili ka na rin isang Red Doors. Ako, tikman ko lang Red Doors. Kasi papainumin nila ako ng Nord, hindi ako mainom yan eh.
Huwag ka uminom.
Oo, papainumin, isang Red Doors.